Hi guys, it's Julie here, coming to you at 8 o'clock on a Wednesday night. Had a few late nights here at the reno this week, but it's all very exciting now because the staging furniture is in and it just feels really beautiful now. So Janet from Make Me Pop Home Staging came in this afternoon and has weaved her magic. We put some sheer curtains on the window as well, working around the poor staging people. But anyway, we got there and things are looking really nice now. I love the colour scheme that Janet has chosen and gone with. It's looking really good, and it flows through into the kitchen as well. Still, it's been a mad rush to the end. Still, this tiny little gap is still the thorn in my side. Hopefully that's going to get sorted out tomorrow before the photographers come on Friday for the real estate photos. A couple of things still to do inside. We've got to put a couple of doors on, but the bathroom's looking gorgeous now with a new bath, and we kept these wall tiles, and then we knocked out this big box that was sort of at the end of the bath, put in a new bath, had to put some new tiles in, which you can sort of see as a different colour there in the video. Doesn't look so bad. Anyway, I'm going to put a plant there as well, so it sort of takes your eye away from it. But overall the bathroom looks really nice, and we've got the blue towels to tie in with the blue and yellow colour scheme. This is the guest bedroom, which is looking beautiful with the new doona cover, with the apparently checks and stripes are all in at the moment. So got that going on here, and beautiful study room with the beautiful Jarrah floorboards, obviously, which really enhance each of the rooms. But yeah, the feeling of them with the beautiful colours and beautiful artwork is really gorgeous. Love that console table. Master bedroom is really big, so we've got a big queen size bed there. Shears on the window. I've opted not to put in wardrobes, so people have got choices as to how they want to furnish the room because it is a big room. So, and also that helps me with my budget overrun. Didn't spend any money on the wardrobe, so hopefully that works well for us. And then out here, as I said, we've still got a little bit of work to do. So we've got a couple of tools still sitting around, but yeah, looking nice with just the white terrazzo look. Floor tiles, new toilet, and yeah, I'm very much in love with how it looks and feels, except for that bit. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed watching the videos. I'll still keep bringing a couple to you as we go through the sale process, and I still want to do a budget one when I get a chance to sit on my computer. So any questions or any comments, please make sure to comment below the video, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.